Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Mathematics 2B Hyperbola short answer questions. Okay. In this question, first here we are taking if the line Lx plus My is equal to 1 is normal to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to 1, then show that a square by L square minus b square by m square is equal to a square plus b square whole square. So here we are taking the solution now. Solution. So here first I am writing the given hyperbola in the standard form. So equation of the hyperbola in the standard form is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to 1. Equation of hyperbola in the standard form is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So here equation of the normal at parametric point of theta is, the formula goes to ax by secant theta plus by tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. This one I am naming equation 1. And given normal is equation is Lx plus My is equal to 1, naming it as equation 2. So now here equation 1 and equation 2 will represent same line. Equation 1 and equation 2 will represent same line. That is nothing but same normal. So if two lines represents the same line, condition is formula a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In this condition, here I am taking x coefficient. X coefficient is how much? A by secant theta. So here that one I am writing a by secant theta by x coefficient in the second line L. So here I am taking by L is equals to y coefficient here. Y coefficient is nothing but b by tan theta by, in the second line equation, y coefficient is m is equals to, in equation 1 constant is a square plus b square by equation 2 constant is 1. So this can be written as a by secant theta will come down, L times of secant theta is equal to b by m times of tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. So now here equating first and last and second and last. This implies a by L secant theta is equal to a square plus b square. At the same time, b by m tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. So here I am subjecting secant theta is equal to a by L times of a square plus b square. At the same time here I am subjecting tan theta is equal to b by m times of a square plus b square. We have one identity in terms of secant and tan. So here the condition is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this implies here I am writing the value of secant theta. That is nothing but a square by L square into a square plus b square whole square minus b square by m square into a square plus b square whole square is equal to 1. In both the conditions, denominator we can take common a square plus b square whole square. So here if you take denominator as 1 by a square plus b square whole square common, 1 by a square plus b square whole square. If you take common, the leftover value is a square by L square minus b square by m square is equal to 1. Right? So here the denominator we are sending to right side. The question will become, or the answer will become, a square by L square minus b square by m square is equals to a square plus b square whole square. This is the required answer in the question. What he is asking here, if the line Lx plus my is equal to 1 is normal to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, then show that the condition is here a square by L square minus b square by m square is equal to a square plus b square whole square. So here we have taken normal form theta value formula here. Next to here given line equation 1 and 2 represent same line. Formula applied a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. And here subjecting the values of secant theta and tan theta, right? So in identity secant square theta minus tan square theta we have 1, and substituting those values here, right, we are getting that relation what is asking in the question, a square by L square minus b square by m square is equal to a square plus b square whole square. Next one of the second important question is here. Second question, find the foci comma eccentricity length of latus rectum and the equation of the directrices of the hyperbola In this we have two bits, right? First bit number 1 is 16y square minus 9x square is equal to 144, and the second bit is x square minus 4y square is equal to 4. In this we have 2 bits. First we will go with first bit. First bit answer. So here, first what I am doing here, given equation I am writing 16y square minus 9x square is equal to 144. Enter the equation. First I am dividing with 144. So here this can be written as 16y square by 144 minus 9x square by 144 is equal to 1. Here we can cancel the condition, right? 16 ones are 16 nines are, and here 9 ones are and 9 16s are. Leftover values will become here y square by 9 minus x square by 16 is equal to 1. So this implies, taking common minus, x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to minus 1. Here left side taking common minus, sending to right side. Okay, so that is what here, minus 1. This is nothing but equation of a conjugate hyperbola. This one we are naming it as conjugate hyperbola. Equation of a conjugate hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to minus 1. Right? So now here, this one I am comparing with the formula of conjugate hyperbola. So x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. By the comparison, we are getting a square is equal to 16, a is equal to 4, and here b square is equal to 9, b is equal to 3. Right? So now here, eccentricity of a conjugate hyperbola is eccentricity. Eccentricity of a conjugate hyperbola is e square is equal to formula a square plus b square by b square. A square plus b square by b square. That is nothing but eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola. Right? So this is equal to a square value 16 plus b square value 9 by b square 9. 16 plus 9 can be written as 25 by 9. Here e square is there. So this implies e is equal to 25 by 9 with root. This is equals to 25 is 5, root 25 is 5, and root 9 is 3. So here 5 by 3. That is what first one in the question he is asking, eccentricity. Right? And the second condition he is asking it as foci. Right? So here second one. Second formula is foci. So here foci is equal to 0 comma plus or minus b. 0 comma plus or minus b. So this is equal to 0 comma plus or minus b. B value is how much? 3 into e. E how much we got? 5 by 3. Here we can cancel 3. So this is equal to 0 comma plus or minus 5. This is what? Foci. Okay. And the condition number 3 he is asking in this question is length of latus rectum. In the question he is asking, the third condition is length of latus rectum. length of lattice rectum. So this is equals to, formula is 2a square by b. This is equals to 2 into a value 4, a square is 16. So here 2 into 16 by b value is 3. So this is equal to 2 into 16 is 32. So 32 by 3 is what? Length of the lattice rectum. Okay. Next, the condition number 4 is equation of the directrices. So here equation of directrices. Equation of directrices, or y is equal to plus or minus b by e. Y is equal to plus or minus b by e. So this is equal to plus or minus b. B value 3 by e. E value is how much? 5 by 3. This 3 will go numerator, right? So plus or minus 3 into 3, 9, right? 9 by 5. So y is equal to plus or minus 9 by 5. These are the conditions he is asking for the first bit. Okay. So now go for the second question. Here what is the second question? X square minus 4y square is equals to 4. So we'll do now that question. Right. Question number 2. X square minus 4y square is equals to 4. This is the question. Right. So here first we are converting into the standard form by dividing 4 on both sides. So here we are getting x square by 4 minus 4y square by 4 is equal to 1. Here we can cancel the similar terms. This 4 and 4 will get cancelled, right? Now the condition here will become, this implies x square by 4 minus y square by 1 is equal to 1. Right? This is the equation of the hyperbola in the standard form. So here standard form is what? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is what equation of the hyperbola in the standard form. So here by comparison with that formula, we'll get a square is equal to 4 and b square is equal to 1. Here a value we are getting it as 2 and b value here we are getting it as 1. Okay. Now in the question he is asking first eccentricity. Okay. So here eccentricity E. First bit eccentricity E is equal to a square plus b square by a square under root. This is what eccentricity of the hyperbola in the standard form. A square plus b square by a square under root. So here a square value is how much? 4 plus b square value 1 by again a square 4. So 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 4 under root. This also can be written as root 5 by 2. Root 5 by 2. And coming to the second condition he is asking in the question is foci. In the question he is asking it is foci. Foci is equal to plus or minus AE comma 0. This is equal to plus or minus A value 2 into E root 5 by 2 comma 0. Here we can cancel 2 and 2. This is equal to plus or minus root 5 comma 0. Right? And third condition is length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is equal to 2b square by a. Length of lattice rectum is equal to 2b square by a. So this is equals to 2 into b square value 1 by a value 2. So here 2 will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled is equal to 1. Length of lattice rectum is equal to, here we are getting 1. And coming to the fourth point. Coming to the fourth point is equation of the directrices. Equation of the directrices. X is equal to plus or minus here a by e. X is equal to plus or minus a by e. So this is equal to plus or minus a value is 2 by e value is root 5 by 2. This 2 will go numerator. So this is equal to plus or minus 4 by root 5. Right? This is the answer for the equation of directrices. And here in the question, he asked by given hyperbola x square minus 4y square is equal to 4. In that he is asking eccentricity, foci, length of lattice rectum, equation of directrices. Okay. Next, this is the given question. Right. Now coming to the solution is, first here I am writing the given equation 4x square minus 9y square minus 8x minus 32 is equal to 0. So here I am taking the similar terms adjacent. So that is nothing but here 4x square minus 8x, I am taking x terms. Next, minus 9y square, only y square term is only 1 is there, and 32 I am taking right side. So here 4x square minus 8x, we are taking the common x square coefficient. So here this implies x square coefficient is 4, taking out 4 times of x square minus 2 into x. 8x is there, we are taking common 4, so leftover is 2 times. So 2 times of x minus 9y square is equal to 32. This implies 4 times of x square minus, here I am writing in the form of 2ab. So bracket value is, we are thinking it b. So here to get formula, either a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square, depends upon the condition. So here x square minus 2ab, we need plus b square and minus b square. 1 square is 1 only, right? So that 1 is added and subtracted. And here moreover minus 9y square is equal to 32. So this implies 4 times of x square minus 2x plus 1, and here minus 1 times of 4 is minus 4, and minus 9y square is equal to 32. Here minus 4 I am taking right side, right? So this implies 4 times of, this can be written as a minus b whole square, that is x minus 1 whole square, minus 9y square is equal to 32 plus 4, that is nothing but here we are getting 36, right? Entire that equation divided by 36. 4 times of x minus 1 whole square minus 9y square. So here we are dividing with entire equation, 36 by 36 is equal to 1. Here we can cancel 4 1s are 4 9s are, and 9 1s are 9 4s are. This implies x minus 1 whole square by 9 minus y square by 4 is equal to 1. So here the condition is x minus h whole square by a square minus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. I am comparing this with formula, right? So here we are getting h value is 1. By the comparison we are getting h is 1, k is 0, a square is equal to 9 and b square is equal to 4. Here a is 3 and b is equal to 2. In the question he is asking first center. First one he is asking center, right? So center is formula h comma k. Center formula is h comma k, that is equals to h value 1, k value 0. Next one he is asking second eccentricity. Eccentricity E is equal to a square plus b square by, here a value 3, b value 2. Compare this, a is bigger. So here I am writing a square in root is equal to a square. A square value is 9 plus 4 by 9. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So here root 13 by root 9 will become 3. So here we are getting eccentricity is root 13 by 3. And the condition number 3 is foci. Foci is equal to h plus or minus ae comma k. Foci is what? H plus or minus ae comma k. So this is equal to h value 1 plus or minus a. A value is 3 into e value is root 13 by 3 comma k value 0. Here we can cancel 3. So this is equal to 1 plus or minus root 13 comma 0, right? And that fourth condition is length of lattice rectum. Fourth condition, length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is equals to 2b square by a. So this is equal to 2 into b square. B square value 4 by 3. A value 3. So this is equal to 8 by 3 is the answer. Okay. This is the answer for this question, right?